All right, so we're going to install Golang on a Raspberry Pi. This is on Raspberry Pi OS, the 64-bit edition. So first we're running apt update. So first we're going to be installing it from the repo. So we're going to say apt install Golang, and I sped this up a whole lot. But yeah, after we finish installing this from the repo, I'm going to show you how you can install it manually as well. So we run go, we can show that the command works, and we can list out the version here. It's a slightly older version than what I get when I install it manually. So in any case, here, I've cleared it out. I didn't record the part where I cleared it out, but anyways, we run wget and pull down the tar.gz file from go.dev, and then we unpack it running sudo tar-c, specify user local, so we can untar it into the user local directory. And after that, we are going to go ahead and edit our bashrc file. So for the current user, we are just going to add a few variables in here, the path and the go path. So define them just as you see there. And we're going to save that, and we are going to source our bashrc file, and do this for whichever users you want to be able to run Go. Now that we've done that, it should be working. So we're going to check the version here. And notice it's a slightly newer version than the version we got from the package manager. And that's about it. So if you want more useful stuff like this, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell icon, give me a thumbs up, leave your comments down below. And we have a ton more interesting stuff, a lot of Raspberry Pi stuff, robots, servers, Linux, coding, all sorts of great stuff. So yeah, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on that next video.